make sure this is making sense to you, okay? So we took our data, and I love the fact, I have to tell you, I really like the fact that it was like so different for so many of you. 2 of you had exactly the same data, and you approached it in absolutely different ways, and that's okay. We had some data over here that was really pretty data that turned out to be really ugly in a graph form, right? But regardless, I think that we got there, and I didn't make it over to you guys because I looked at the clock, and I was like, oh, man. So I'm going to come over. I'll talk to you later. But anyway, we defined Newton's first law like 4 months ago or something like that. Do you remember what we said it was? It was the first half of Newton's first and second law. If F net is 0, what do you know? A is 0. This is equilibrium, right? Nope, this is it right here. That's it right there. And then we defined what equilibrium was yesterday, and then we had the whole like moving debacle, and that was a problem. The game is that it's not just about force, right? Because you can put the force at different places, and it means that it might not balance. Okay? What is it that makes things balance and not rotate? What did you figure out today?
Finding the equilibrium.
Yeah, so what made it what made it balance? That's what I'm asking.
Changing the distance when you change the force.
Very interesting in the
It's
mass
mass.
distance.
It's mass.
So I've got this big mass here, and then I've got a little tiny mass. Do I need to put it close, or do I need to put it further away? Further away, right? So I've got a littler mass. I'm going to put it further away, and then they can balance. So it has to do both with the mass, or we could say the force of gravity, right? And the distance. And what's the relationship between these? It has to be the same. What did you graph? What did you guys graph that gave you a straight line?
So we graphed m times d, m1 times d1,
Mm-hmm.
and m2 d2.
Mm-hmm. So this was D2, this is M2, this is D1, M1. And Garrett, when you did that, what did your graph look like?
Y equals x.
Y equals X. It was a straight line. Okay? That's the second half of Newton's first law. We will work on that tomorrow or on Monday. If you're done with your lab and you've got a conclusion written down, great. If you don't, get it to me by Wednesday. I'm not going to grade it before then, you guys. Okay? You can turn it in.